Firstly, good afternoon to respected sir and my dear friends. My name is Jahnavi Srisai and I am from CSE's branch. Now I am in front of you to tell about the topic of will artificial intelligence take away all our jobs. Firstly, I will say what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science which is dedicated to creating computers and programs to replicate human thinking. Nowadays, after entering of AI programs making all of our works more easier without the help of human that refines the programming, and AI has boomed in recent years. We all may use AI in all our daily lives. AI can be used in for business purpose, not only for business purpose. If there is a company to develop that company's production, they also may use AI. And if you ask some people, will AI take our jobs in future around you? Then some people says, no, AI will not take our jobs. They may just help us to work us faster. And some people says, yes, surely AI will take our jobs in future. This is really a debatable topic which has been for a very long time. And coming to the AI technologies, robots have a unique strength which a man cannot have. And robots are very strong, fast in all the works, but there are no emotions for the robots. For example, I'll say an example. How would it be if you were taught by a robot? A robot can teach a fast and personalized and vast information, but here the humanness is missing, because the humanness is required to connect to the mindset of the students deeply. And another example I can say is, if you take a judge and a lawyer, a robot can memorize all the articles and acts and rules, but coming to the final judgment, the judge you mix the logics and emotions and gives the announcement of the verdict. Likewise, the lawyer, while dealing a case, after mixing of these emotions and the logics, he will put the case in front of the judge after taking all these emotions and logics. But a robot doesn't have any emotions or logics. And coming to the disadvantages of this AI, firstly I can say that potential human job loss. I'll say an example for this. For example, if you take a company, in a company 10 persons are working on a project. After arrival of this AI, the persons who are working on this project, arriving of the AI, one machine has done the work which is done by the 10 persons. Because of this, the 10 persons may lose their jobs and may fall into the financial struggle. This is one of the biggest threat after the coming of AI. The people may surely lose their jobs because of this AI technologies. And second disadvantage of this is costly implementation. For developing the AI software, we have to spend more cost. And finally, lack of emotions and creativity. Example for this is, while we are giving an instruction to a computer, it just performs that instruction, but it doesn't think creatively or doesn't do the work creatively. But man, he does the work creatively with thinking of their mind, not only the instructions of others. That is also a disadvantage of AI. And finally, my conclusion is, the topic is AI will take our jobs in future. I didn't say 100% AI will take our jobs, because there are many jobs which are not related to AI, that is lawyer, teacher or something else and something else jobs. But I may say that AI will take the jobs of the people, but I can't say how much percentage it will take. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.